Hello everyone, this is Akang Suman here. Now we are going to solve the questions based on the acceleration analysis. We have seen that what is the normal acceleration and what is the tangential acceleration. So when I'm talking about the normal acceleration, that is along the radius and towards the center. Okay, that is along the radius and it is towards the center always. Okay, and tangential acceleration is tangent to the surface of the circle. Okay, so now we are going to calculate the radial acceleration. Normal acceleration is also known as the radial acceleration. Okay, total acceleration of the and the velocity of a particle moving clockwise. Now it is saying that it is moving in clockwise direction at a circular radius of 2.5 meter at a given instant of time. At this instant, find the radial acceleration, speed of the particle and the tangential acceleration. But we need to find out the first part, that is radial acceleration. In order to finding out the radial acceleration, first you need to know what is the formula for radial acceleration. AR, that is equal to, either you can write in terms of linear velocity v square upon r, and you can write in terms of angular velocity r omega square. Okay, now here you can see there is no linear velocity is not given here. Okay, but radius is given here. So we need to understand what is the radial acceleration data which is given. Here there is no data of linear velocity and no data for angular velocity. So we need to see the diagram. How can we calculate the radial acceleration? See, this is the acceleration. That means this is the total acceleration is given. So I am going to write here that total acceleration is given. Total acceleration, that is A, is equal to 25 meter per second. Okay, this is given in the question. And we know that this is the angle which is theta, that is theta is equal to 30 degree. Okay, now we know that the radial acceleration is in that direction and the tangential acceleration is in that direction. Okay, in the direction of velocity. Now how can we calculate the radial accelerations? We know that radial acceleration is equal to A cos of theta, that means cos of 30. I can write that A cos of 30. Are you getting my point? Because this and this both are perpendicular to each other, and A is a total acceleration, this is radial acceleration, and in that direction there will be the tangential acceleration. Okay, so we can find out the radial acceleration, that is A cos theta, that is A cos 30. Okay, here the A value given, that is 25, and we know this cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. So we can calculate it using calculator. So it would be 21.65. That would be the radial acceleration value you will get. 21.65 meter per second square. Okay, now the first answer is this 21.65 meter per second square. Now what is the second question? The speed of the particle. You have to calculate the speed of the particle. Okay, and we know that how can we calculate the speed of the particle. Here you can see there is a radial acceleration, we get 21.65. If we use the first equation, you will get the linear velocity as well as the angular velocity. Okay, both of them you can calculate. So here it is asking the speed of the particle, so we will equate it 21.65 is equal to v square upon r. V square is speed of the particle and r is the radius that is given in the question, that is 2.5. And when you solve this, you will get the value of velocity, that would be 2.5, and you will get 7.35 meter per second. That would be your answer. That means here the speed of the particle is 7.35 7.35 meter per second. Now the tangential acceleration, final question is, this is the second part, and the third, in the third part it is asking the tangential acceleration denoted by at, and we know that what is the tangential acceleration, that is r into alpha. Okay, tangential acceleration is given as r alpha, but we need not to consider alpha because the tangential acceleration we can calculate using a sin theta, because this is ar, which is a cos theta, and at would be a sin theta. Okay, that is a sin theta, and we know that a is what, a is given in the 25, and that would be sine 30, and we know that sine 30 is equal to 1.5, so sorry 0.5, and it would be 12.5, your answer. This is meter per second square tangential acceleration you will get. Okay, so here all the three answer you will get, that is tangential acceleration, radial acceleration, and the velocity or speed of the particle. I hope you will understand the solution of this question.